Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to snooze a topic on X, formerly known as Twitter. Here's how to do it. Open your X app. On your timeline, you have two sections, For You and Following. Click on the arrow on For You. And here, you're going to see an option to snooze topics. You have politics, sports, business and finance, science and technology, entertainment and arts, artificial intelligence, gaming, crypto, and videos. Now, if you want to snooze any topic you don't like, simply turn it on. Maybe turn on artificial intelligence. You can snooze crypto. When you are done selecting the topic you want to snooze, just click on snooze topic. And every post about that topic is going to disappear from your timeline for 24 hours. I don't know why they don't want to do this, to give us an option to extend it to maybe a week or two, or even 1 month. After snoozing a topic, you can now see a little clock icon after the For You section. You can see it right there. Now, if you want to reset it to go back to default, click on it and click on Reset. That clock icon will be removed. So that's how you snooze topics on X, formerly known as Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.